Hi, my name is Dr. Cell, and I'm here to tell you guys about the cell cycle. Let's begin. Interphase. That is the process that the cycle stays in for most of its life. So, interphase kind of does a lot of work, but the other processes, they do just as much work. We'll come to find that in our intervention. Prophase is when the chromatin condense and the chromatids are joined to one another. Metaphase. Metaphase is where the pair of chromatids line up. Anaphase, the sister chromatids move apart and attach to the spindle. Telophase, chromosomes fade from sight, and it reverses prophase. Cytokinesis, the cytoplasm divides and the plant cells have to have a special processes using a cell plate. Now that you know all of that, that's not much. I think it's time that you guys see the cell cycle intervention.
Okay, let's get this meeting started. Hi, my name is Interphase. My job on this team is probably the most important because I'm the most important one here. I make new organelles and a copy of DNA and get everything ready for the rest of you. And my kids, G1, S phase, and G2 are working harder than you guys.
Excuse you. I'm working on my chromosomes. They become more coiled and they can finally be seen under the light microscope. The nucleus and nuclear envelope disappear. I also get started on the spindle.
I make sure the centrosomes are on the opposite sides of the cell. I also make sure that the spindle is fully done because prophase couldn't finish that up. I make sure that the chromosomes are arranged properly. I sit here and separate those sister chromatids. I make the daughter chromosomes move to opposite sides of the cell. Towards the end of the job, a complete set of chromosomes have been made by guess who? Oh yeah, me! I make the nuclear envelope yet again. I uncoil the chromosomes again. And then you know what I do? I make sure that nuclear division is finished at that point. So you guys should thank me.
I divide the cytoplasm. Do you know how much work that is? In animal cells, I have to make the cleavage, and then I have to deal with the plant cells, and then I have to do the different processes. It's just so much work.
I guess you guys are right. I mean, you all do a bunch of work, and we wouldn't be able to do this alone.
All of your guys' work is pretty useless when I show up. I mean, I waltz in here because I can, and I invade your workspace, and I make you all your hard work. It's nothing when I'm here. I'm gonna take over your entire cycle. And then guess what? You can't do anything, my friends. You can't do anything.
Well, listen here, mister. We work pretty hard to make everything go according to plan. Like when someone gets a cut, we respond quickly to make new tissue. So I guess prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis, you guys are just as good at doing things. We are a team. Well, listen here, mister. We work pretty hard to make everything work in this system. Like when someone gets cut, we go to work right away to make it replace itself. So I did messed up, honey.
I make the nuclear envelope yet again. I uncoil the chromosomes. King, you need to be a good actor.
Hey,
King,
sit down.
stop.
Sit down.